Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Infiniti Q50 gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release lever inside the car. This lever is typically found on the driver's side floor, positioned near the left kick panel. It's a small, distinct lever designed for easy access. Pulling this lever will unlatch the fuel door, allowing you to proceed with refueling your vehicle safely and efficiently. Once you've located the lever, pull it firmly upwards. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that the fuel door mechanism has successfully unlatched. The fuel door will then pop open slightly, making it easy to access. If it doesn't open fully, you might need to gently push on the door's edge to fully release it. With the fuel door open, you'll see the fuel cap. Turn the cap counterclockwise to loosen and remove it. Most Infiniti Q50 models have a small hook or holder on the inside of the fuel door where you can place the cap. This prevents it from dangling and potentially scratching your car's paint while you refuel. After refueling, replace the fuel cap by turning it clockwise until you hear several clicks. This ensures a proper seal. Then, gently push the fuel door firmly shut. You should hear a solid click, confirming that it's securely latched. Always double-check that the door is fully closed before driving away.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.